we're going to learn two things that can be quite confusing in the exam, right? So, the first thing that we've learned is right hand grip rule, a cross and a dot. So, if it's going into the board, you see the back of it. It's like that. Cross and it does that. That's easy. Obviously, then the other one coming out, it does this and it does the opposite. How about then you're looking at a coil like this. This is your solenoid. I'm looking at this direction. How do you then decide whether it's a north pole or it's a south pole? And I'm going to teach you this. So, to start with, in order to have the best electromagnet, you could wrap the wire around an iron core. So, let's say for argument's sake that this is my iron core. And what I'm going to do then, I'm going to wrap a wire around it. And please follow the diagram. So, if this is my power supply, here's my switch, right? And the wire is actually coming behind, and it does that. That's a nice little technique that you could use to make your wires look quite good. And look at it now, over. So that's dotted. If the current is going up like this, how do I decide if it's going to be north or south? But before we do that, I just want to show to you that you should also know that you're going to get a field, aren't you? What kind of field do we get? Uniform. Like this. This is your uniform field. Very similar to your ball magnet. But question is, which one is north, which one is south? How do we figure that out? Yes, Musa? Right hand grip rule. But how are you going to apply a right hand grip rule here? Okay, so in the exam, you could do that, but it's very confusing and you can get it wrong. The tip is this. To get a north pole, I'd recommend that you write north like this. Can you see how I'm writing my north pole? Like this. If I write the south pole and I put arrows, if the current is going clockwise, which pole do you get? A south pole. If the current is going anti-clockwise, you get a north pole. So now, if I look at it, the current is going behind and is doing this, which is what? This is my south pole, this is my north pole. So I can say to the examiner now, the arrows should be in this direction. Alternatively, this always works. Right? I repeat, S and north, like this. Put arrows at the end. Okay, if the current is going clockwise, you get a south pole, and if the